Hi everyone, my name is Jean and you're welcome to another episode of Sight and Tours with Jean. Today we'll be taking a tour to the Universal Studios and we're going to be bringing you the real Hollywood experience. So please grab a snack, grab your drink, sit back, relax and enjoy while we take you on this exciting ride. Hi, so we are right now at the Universal Studios parking structure. So it's advisable for you to know if you're coming here, the parking is $35. It's $35 for the whole day. Just so you know, that's for the regular parking. So if you're doing VIP or whatever parking you need, that's going to be higher. So the minimum rate is $35. So usually here is usually jam packed, and that's why I chose to come here today on a weekday. So I don't get into the crowd. So this is actually a perfect time for me to be here because it's usually jam packed here. Trust me, and it's most especially during the weekends or during the holidays. So yeah, if you don't want to get into the crowd like me, so I think the safest thing to do is to come during the weekdays. Like here, today I'm here on a Tuesday, and which works perfectly for me. Okay, so I'm just going to pass a quick information. Whenever you decide to come here at Universal Studios, you can choose to come for free without having to buy the tickets to get inside. If you come here for free, then you have access to view all this. So you have access to view from my behind all the way down. So you have access, free access all the way around. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful site. And if you really want to experience the studios, the Hollywood experience actually, then you will need to buy a ticket. And when you buy a ticket, then the ticket price is from $100 above, depending on what you like, or if you want to do VIP, it's definitely above 500 or $600 or within that range. And if you want to do the regular ticket, it should be within 100 and something dollars or anywhere a little bit above $100. That's for the regular ticket. And yeah, so we're going to do that right now, and so you can have the actual Hollywood experience. So if you want to do that, then you get your ticket. If you don't want to get your ticket, it's also fine. You can tour around Universal City. It's actually called City Walk. So just walk around and enjoy the beautiful sights. And if you want to like experience the Hollywood itself, then you have to get the ticket. Let's go. All right, so this is how you know you're actually in the studios. So you can see right now, I'm in the studios right now. And yeah, you have to get your tickets to be here actually, if you want to be here. And like I said, you can still come here and enjoy the walk behind me. It's called the City Walk, the Universal City Walk. So you can come here for free without buying a ticket and enjoy your city walk. And if you want to like get the real Hollywood experience, like where they shoot movies and all of that stuff, just get a ticket and come right here at Universal Studios. So if you guys recall Harry Potter, this is actually what it looks like. This is actually like a scene from the movies of Harry Potter. So many things get your attention here. It's different things going on at the same time. So you just need to like settle down and take your pick on what you want to do, one after the other. Like I said, it's advisable for you to come early. Try and come early in the morning because there are lots and lots of stuff to do here. So you can, probably cover them all or cover them at least halfway through. Otherwise, you won't be able to do so many things. And it's going to be a waste of money for your ticket. So try and come early and cover as much as you can. I've done all this before. I've covered, almost everything before in my previous visit. So I just want to let you know